Yeah.
cage.
They're a lot of fun. It is more fun to have two. Okay, guys, we're just here playing with puppies today. So the star of the show is Tyra's new puppies. So Tyra's been with us this summer, and she's a student at Virginia Tech, and she just got 2 new puppies. Who are these, Tyra?
This is Reba, and the black one is Presley.
Oh, he's getting wild. He's a little boy. She's a little...
They're both girls.
They're both girls. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so, come here, guys. You want a treat?
Here.
They really like these treats. So, what kind of dogs are they?
They are Rottweiler mixed with a lab.
You can see this one. She looks just like a black lab.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. You got some of the Rottweiler colors, maybe a little bit. Not so much black and tan, but mostly tan.
She has a little black spot on her tail.
Yeah, she got a little black through here. Sometimes when their puppy coat grows out, their adult colors are a little different. So, how old are these guys?
They are 6 weeks.
6 weeks old, so they're going to be big puppies.
Yes.
They're going to be big dogs when they grow up.
Yes.
So you want to go to vet school?
I do.
Yeah. And Virginia Tech's got a great one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It does. Go ahead.
So you're still in for people who want to go to vet school out there, they'd be wondering about this. You're in your undergraduate part of it right now still.
Yes.
How does that process go? You have to take...
So, your undergrad, you have to take the basics, which is, biochemistry, biochem, physics. You have to take all those basic sciences.
Yeah.
Which they really look at. Science needs to be your strong suit, obviously. But yeah, there's a whole, and you can major in anything and apply to vet school.
Right.
Which, but I'm majoring in animal and poultry sciences.
And is that like a preference? I think when I was in school, they said you should either major in like biology or zoology, or you should do animal dairy science.
Yeah,
but,
and I think...
Like if you majored in English or music or something like that, does that help your chances or hurt your chances getting in vet school?
It obviously enhances your chances, I think, when you major in biology or animal science.
Yeah.
But there is people, I'm sure, that have gotten in as a music major just because science was their strong suit. So that helped them get in.
So you have just completed your first year of school at Virginia Tech, all right? So how many years does it take for you to get your prerequisites? And then when do you apply to vet school and those kind of things?
So it'll take a normal person 4 years of undergrad. Just
so you get your full Bachelor of Science degree?
Yeah, just because it's so many prereqs for what you're getting. In my major, it's a lot of, depending on what you're emphasizing in, it's a lot of prereqs that you have to take.
So you're taking classes for your major and for vet school.
Yeah.
So it takes it's a lot to pack in.
Yeah. But since I already have my associate's degree, I'll be able to finish sooner.
Yeah.
So, So I should be able to finish undergrad in 2022. So, yeah.
You grew up on a farm?
I did.
Yeah.
Horses.
And you can ride horses?
I can.
Yeah.
Other than barrel race, I just enjoy trail riding. Yes, it's very peaceful.
Oh yeah. There's something magical
therapy
about horses. What is this like?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, but you sit on one and it's just like, oh, this is...
You know the kids that have like disabilities and like I'm thinking of like neuromuscular things, and their autism is like they get on a horse and it's like it just changes. There's some kind of aura around a horse.
Yeah. And I wish I knew, but just from riding, you're stressed out one day, you go riding and it's like you feel fine.
Yeah. These guys are the same way, but they're different. It's fun to watch them. Yeah. Where you going, guys? Where you going?
What you want?
So how long you had these guys?
I got them Sunday, so just got them.
So you're just getting introduced to them.
Yes.
How's the house training going?
Great.
What do you tell us? What your tricks are with that?
You know, I don't know. Their owner, who had them. She was already working with them, you know.
Oh yeah.
Immediately when she took them out of the crate, she would turn them outside, you know.
Right.
You know, talk to them like, go potty, you know. And
they're already picking that up.
yeah, they
at
already
6
picked
weeks.
it up. They have not made an accident so far.
That's
and
great.
even staying in here, you know, I turned them out, and they went in and didn't. They haven't used the bathroom in the cage.
They're a lot of fun. It is more fun to have two. They entertain each other. Yeah.
Couldn't just get one.
That's one of the misconceptions about puppies. A lot is old school thinking that people would say, "Let's wait till they're 6 months old before we start to train them." But even at this age,
they do know. They learn quick. They're so smart.
they have a short attention span, but if you can get them to focus,
Yeah.
they'll sit and stay and do all those things at this age.
They're still. They don't know their names yet. But
No.
when you talk to them real sweet, they come running.
Yeah. Look. Hey guys, girls. I'm gonna try to give them each one at the same time so they don't have to fight over it. Who wants a treat? We got a treat for you. Your Reba. Where's Presley? Presley.
She's smelling like, where's it at?
There you go. You got it.
There you go.
There you go. You each got one that time.
Look at
That's
Reba.
more fair. You messy. Look at you. You like your little whoopee?
They do. They really like that.
Yeah, this little whoopee is made by Adaptil. They make a pheromone. We spray on this, and it's not anything that you can smell. We can't smell it, but they can smell it. It's a pheromone that it's like the natural pheromone that the mother gives off to her young. And so they have the spray on here, and it's a very comforting, relaxing thing for them. This is something that when pets come stay with us for the day, we'll put this in their bedroom with them so that it'll calm them down and make them feel more at home. So this really seems to be working.
Yeah,
when they came in here, they got right on it. Yeah, they were nervous
earlier
too.
they were nervous, but immediately when I put them down, she went right to it.
They look like really good puppies. We had to examine them today and give them their first vaccines. We haven't done that yet, but they're doing really normal behavior. So they got nervous, but then they sniffed around. They got acclimatized to the room in a normal amount of time. So sometimes puppies have an anxiety issue where they come into a room and they stay there and they stay nervous for 30 minutes. That's not normal. This is normal. They should be doing this. I think we've enjoyed our time here, and these little girls have been really good. Yes. You talking?
Oh,
Aw.